everybody, welcome back inside the mind of Matt. You might be asking yourself, where am I? What is he showing us? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, just happens to just had my camera fall. But anyways, this is just happened to be a room in our house that was kind of occupied by a bunch of stuff, and my garage is actually right here. My desk sits right on the other side of this wall. So I decided to clean it out, and this is going to be my new office slash studio. So a lot of things have changed. I've hit the 100 subscriber mark, so I feel like I've got to take this to the next level. I've ordered a new computer, which is going to be a little bit more capable of handling my 3D designing and some of my video editing and production type of applications. So I didn't want to have this, nice new expensive laptop out in my dirty dusty garage, and I figured that this would be a perfect place for me to set up. So we're gonna do a little bit of setting up this room, and you're gonna get to see what I'm doing. So here we are. Here we go. And the most important thing of all, guess what? It don't fit. Hello, girlfriend. Hey, look at that! Here she is in her new room. Just gotta get it set up now. Second most important piece of equipment, the throw. So, let's see what we got. We got my computer station, got my TV set up, got the printer over there, got a heater, got my camera set up on the wall. I'll have to make a couple more camera mounts. I plan on putting a couple cameras here, a couple cameras there, so I've got a couple different vantage points. But more importantly, I have a nice quiet place that I can leave my printer locked up and safe, need to be. I was thinking also putting a smoke detector with a disabling system built in, a little relay built in, so that it disables the power to the printer, just in case, because you never know, you never know. But anyway, I've got more work to do, so I just thought I'd check in so you see how things are progressing. We should start printing something though while we're in here. Let's see what we can do. Alright, here we kind of are, set up in my new spot. A little bit more organized. Got some stuff printing. Got some cleaning still to do, some organizing, but it's almost midnight and I'm tired, so I am going to head off to bed, but we'll be back with more episodes from inside the mind of Matt and my new studio. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, and if I turn that fan off, it might be a little bit easier to hear me, but anyways, thanks for stopping. Happy printing.